Now we start the English lessons. We begin with Unit 1. In Unit 1, we will learn about what kind of thing that we can do in the kitchen.
Hello, 5th grade students. Good morning. How are you today? I hope all of you is always healthy and keep staying at home. Before we start our discussions, I would like to introduce myself first because I think all of you is curious about who I am, right? Okay, my name is Miss Dayu. I'm a new English teacher in here. Okay, let's start our learning today.
We will learn about how do we make something, then the activities that we can do in the kitchens, and then things in the kitchen. Here is the examples of activities during cooking. First, cut. She is cutting some vegetable. The next example, slice. He is slicing a tomato. The next one is chop. Somebody chopped these onions. Next is peel. She is peeling potatoes. Next is boil. The water is boiling. The next is fry. She is frying eggs. Next is squeeze. He is squeezing an orange. The next is grate. She is grating cheese. Next is pour. She is pouring some milk. The next one is stir. He is stirring the food. The next one is mix. She is mixing some ingredients. The next one is whisk. She is whisking the eggs. Okay, here are some kinds of things that we can find in the kitchens. The first one we have sink. The second one we have refrigerator. The next one we have cooker. We have table. We have plate rack. We have salt shaker. We have kettle. We have cup and saucer. We have glass. We have tray. We have baking tray also. We have cutting board. We have plate. We have bowl. We have frying pan. We have whisk. We have ladle. We have fork, knife and spoon. We have chair. We have tweezer. We have strainer. We have meat tenderizers. We have open globes. We have napkin and also grater. Okay, now we will move to the characteristic when we want to write about how to make something. The first one, we usually use numbering. For example, we use first, second, third, or etc. And then we use verb. For example, makes, stare, pour, like I already explained in the activities that we can do in the kitchen. And then the next one, we use connective. For example, we use then, while, next, and the others. And then The important part is explain the step. That's all about the characteristic. Here is the examples when we want to write how to make something. The example is about how to make kolak. As you can see here, we have numbering first, second, and third. And then we also have connective. Here we use after that and finally. And then we also explain about the step. Okay?
That's all about the material today. I hope you understand about it. And then next, I would like to give you the assignment or worksheet in the Google Classroom. Thank you. See you later. Bye.
Thank you, student. See you next week.